some leaks in the roof line. See, a little splash in the puddles makes you feel better, right?
That's okay.
Welcome back, viewers, for a very special edition of Frank and Gord's Excellent Off-Road Adventures. Today we're excited to reveal a brand new addition to our growing family of off-road vehicles. Follow along as we travel to Sault Ste Marie, Ontario to collect our new wheels. Following the reveal, there will be an introductory walk-around giving an overview of factory and dealer installed options and a few of our own accessories that we've already put on the machine.
Off to pick up the mystery machine for Frank and Gord, Excellent Off-Road Adventures. Nothing would suit us better, obviously, than a snowstorm to start.
We hope not.
As we leave the York region area and start on our 8-hour travels to the Sault Ste Marie, NorthShore Sports Auto Incorporated, to see Jordan and his team up there as we look at our new machine. So that alone might give it away as to what kind of machine that we're picking up.
I don't know. Should we spill the beans and just tell them
No,
we can get up there or
we're
what?
not spoiling the beans. No, they're going to have to see the picture and watch the first review. You might have an idea now of what the product line might be. I think that's enough of a hint.
Yeah.
As to where we're going if they Google NorthShore Sports and Auto Inc. They have a bit of an idea.
Do you remember what app we're using for these cameras?
Live TV.
Live TV.
This camera.
Didn't look right.
There is a card in it, right? Yeah, it might probably not record if it wasn't, right?
Somebody actually hit the record button?
I did.
Oh, okay. Then I know it's on. Well, hopefully we'll get to shoot some good video with this new machine in 2020 and show our viewers what
She's capable
what she can do, yeah. We already got a couple of trails we want to give her a go on there.
Yep. Get her out of the Kearney and E.O.T.A through the winter. Maybe a little the Baysville Halliburton ATV Association trails. They have winter trails there. We can try some of that out to open its legs a bit and break it in.
Should be good.
We will tell you guys that it does have a windshield, does have heater. With our climate up here, we would never be able to really ride in the winter. I mean, you could, but it just makes it all that more convenient when you're running gear and things like that, and have a windshield. Also, this upper door enclosures and some storage options on this machine without giving it away. So.
I know Jordan at the dealership was pretty happy to send us a picture of the machine to show us what it looked like there.
Yep.
As a teaser.
It'd be the cleanest it ever looks anyways.
Yeah.
Especially after the wolving. We were cleaning Hatfield mud off of it.
Can't take Felty anywhere. Leaves doors open. This is us. We're just pulling in here. And I see the door is open. So.
Well, the gig's up. Everybody will be able to see in a second here that we are at a Can-Am dealership. It's a matter of
What are we going to be loading into the back of the trailer here? That's the
We already
question.
have a Yamaha Wolverine X2 2019 R-Spec. We have a 2019 Can-Am Maverick X3 RS. What shall it be? Steve.
Close the door on me. I'm locking out so I can't see it. Oh, it's popped open.
Hi, how are
you?
Good.
That thing is so cool.
Kevin Jordan.
So he might be talking.
New addition to the family. 2019 rock crawling Maverick Sport. XRC. New addition to the Frank and Gord channel.
I want to be able to see.
YouTubers, thanks for joining us today. As you know, we've picked up a new addition to our family. We have the 2019 Can-Am Maverick Sport XRC, pretty much stock. Today we're taking it out on our first run. We've added a couple of things to this from the factory, Can-Am OEM products. We put the storage box on, we put the plexiglass in, the soft upper door enclosures, which by the way are totally removable within a couple of seconds. The only thing that we need to do is put some kind of mirrors on it. It already comes with the front and rear bumper guards with the winch and everything else, so it's pretty much stock. The roof comes, we had the roof put on it as well, and the full glass windshield with wiper. So today we'll get out in the E.O.T.A trails and give it its break in a little bit on the new belt. The only thing we have added so far is dash cam for front and rear, and it also records as well, and we'll put a link up in the description for the Amazon. So we'll just open the door here so you can see in. It's not quite the way we want it set up at the moment, but it's just a temporary setup at the moment for today's ride. And you'll see as we walk to the back of the machine, we've also, for solo rides, we don't normally carry a winch for the rear, but it's just something we picked up on sale at Canadian Tire, Champion 3,000 pound winch, and we've wired it all up internally with a remote and everything else, so that's a nice added feature. You'll also see the storage bin from Can-Am. Quite a bit of storage can be put in here. It's got a little hydraulic there, or not hydraulic, but hold the trunk lid up, and it's pretty watertight. I can tell you when it's closed, nothing gets in there, it's all sealed up. You got your Fox podium shocks, piggyback shocks, heater that we've put in as well. Obviously with the glass and the winter riding we like to do, we need some defrost to keep that from fogging up. Okay, keep going, keep. Right on.
Thank you for sharing this exciting day with us, and stay tuned for videos featuring the Maverick Sport XRC and all of our other machines. very special thank you to Jordan and his wonderful team at NorthShore Motorsports in Sault Ste Marie, Ontario for their excellent service and hospitality. Please check out his website linked below for all your Can-Am off-road, snow, and watercraft needs. And keep watch as he opens his new showroom in the very near future. If you enjoyed this adventure, please feel free to like, subscribe, and to turn on the alerts to join in for more of Frank and Gord's excellent off-road adventures.